So here we see the problem. The brushes rub against the brickwork or the plaster and really damage the ends. It's not so much of a problem if you live in the US or UK or somewhere where brush bumpers are easily accessible. They're pretty much dispensable, disposable. They're so cheap. But if you live far away like here, then just the shipping to get them here makes it completely ridiculous. So we're going to make our own using just clear plastic tubing, some cable ties. Simple as that. So we'll start by taking this clear tubing and we'll split it from end to end to make a C-channel rather than a tube. As noticed here, we've now cut from the one end right to the other, just on the one edge. I'll now wrap that around the brush and we'll see how that works. There it is, wrapped around the brush, and as you can see it forms a nifty little point that is useful to get rid of insect poop or anything like that. Get into the corners to get rid of a wasp nest. That's a really useful little thing that happens there. So now we want to cable tie it onto the brush, but in such a way as not to damage the end splay. You'll notice this one's moved a bit. I've got a bit of a hole there in the or bent bristles there on the end, but we're going to rectify that by putting the cable ties between the bristle stubs. Here we see the end result, 2 cable ties in place, holding it nice and neat. A cheap, quick, easy solution, and there we go. All the benefits of the real thing, but some extras. Clear tubing doesn't mark the walls. Like the idea? Want some more of these? Well, subscribe. Cheap tricks for window cleaners.